Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a guitar-inspired Afrobeat, and we're gonna be drawing inspiration from Tems' song titled "Me You." So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. I'm just gonna drag in the vocals, and I've used Audimi to convert it, the normal. I've used Audimi, and I use Yemi. So yeah, I have the vocals. So let's just preview what the vocals sounds like. So the tempo of the song is 112. So in case you want to follow along, the tempo is 112. So I'm just going to drag it down to 112 and just bring down the gain a little bit, send it to my mixer, add in some EQ, add in some nice EQ, and I'm just going to use pop plates just to give it some reverb. Yeah, okay, so let's just go into creating this nice guitar melody that started it. So for that, I'm just gonna be using Contacts. Let me just save this quickly. I'm just gonna be using Contacts, but you can use any guitar plugin. You can use Flex. I'm also gonna be using Flex in between too, but for now I'm just gonna use Contacts. I'm gonna be using the Electric Mint. I'm gonna be using the melody section of that guitar. I want this tutorial to be as fast as possible. I don't want it to be lengthy. I'm gonna try as much as possible to do it within 10 minutes. So let's just go to the electric mint and let's just pick the melody. So the song is on the key of B flat major. So let's just create our first pattern. I'm just gonna call this guitar. Let's just put that down in the beginning, and let's just create our chords. So we're starting on 4. Let's go down here. So let's just I'm gonna use my EQ to adjust the gain. But let's see this let's go over to D, then to G. So yeah, something like this. Yeah, so something like this. But I'm gonna send it to my mixer because it has too much of low ends. Send it to my mixer and let me just use my EQ to cut out some of the lows. Something like. Yeah, so then move to the next chord, which is just gonna be our 6. So let's have something like this. Yeah, so I think it's something like the chord is close to this. So let's just have then just move to the last chord. So the last chord is gonna be our 2. I'm just playing it an octave. Let's just drag this down a little bit, and then let's have our. So I could start putting in the. Let's go with this. So these are just like open chords. Let's have this. Yes. Yeah, so I like that. So I'm just gonna go over to the guitar settings. So I think that's close to what was played. If I'm wrong, you guys can correct me. But you can just create nice guitar melodies just using open chords. So let me see what I can turn. I think it's the replica. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring down the velocity a little bit. Yeah, so I think this is just the whole guitar that was played all through. So yeah, so we have this all through.
This is my decision. This is my decision.
Guitar, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make one unique. Make it unique and just convert it to wave. Render and replace. Go edit it. Edit sample. I'm just gonna change the sample rate to 1000. So it has this lo-fi effect, and just replace it here. So we have. So together. So for this, I'm just gonna give it RC color. Yeah, so it has that noise. Then I'm just gonna layer it with some EPR, some chords. So I'm just gonna pick the Lounge Lizard. Yeah, so just layer it together. So then I'm also gonna layer a pad playing the same thing. So I'm gonna go to Analog Lab Lab 4. Yeah, so together. Just use my EQ.
This is my decision.
Then the next thing is the bass. The bass that was used. I'm just gonna.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen.
So I'm just gonna use the bass.
I don't think you listen.
And for the bass, I'm gonna be using Toxic Boy Hazard. I want this to be as fast as possible. So let's go to Toxic Boy Hazard. Just go over to the bass. I'm just gonna pick the first bass there. So I think the bass started from this.
Give me one break, baby.
Go to the
there to believe you, there to receive you. Give me some.
Then have the
there to believe you, there to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my baby.
Yeah, so this just the the bass. Then there was like log drums, but so we have something like this, like this.
I don't need nothing. You are my everything.
Let's see, 3. I'm trying to see. Okay, so something like this. Something like this, I'm just gonna go right into it and just increase the velocity of each of them, so it's really hard. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a swing of, let's say, 20%.
It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the girl. I want to show you my wow. Give me one break, I need faith. There to believe you, there to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking.
Let me see this.
It must mean I'm not the girl. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the girl.
Let me just see another shaker. Let's see this.
It must mean I'm not the girl. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the girl. It must mean I'm not the girl. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the girl. I want to show you my wow.
Simple.
Give me one break, I need only me and you. Only
So let's go back to the guitar. Let me go to this.
only me and
noticed, I think there was this melody, guitar melody that was, just playing out there. So let me just put that here.
Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me something.
Yeah, so this.
Make me your matter. Make me your matter.
So for the guitar, I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and just give it this preset basically.
Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Oh.
Why I just look for some nice transition, and let me go over to Jeb and just use the let's use let's Jeb Park.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must be now. For me to come out, it must be now my teacher. It must be now not the same. It must be now my case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not teacher. I want to show you my wow. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you.
I think this is just a
Give
lock.
me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything.
So let me just go add in my IM pusher.
Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you.
Nice. I think we're done. Just playing around with.
For me to come out, it must be not my teacher. It must be not the same. It must. For me to come out, it must be not my teacher. It must be not the same. For me to come out, it must. For me to come out, it must be not my teacher. It must be not the same. It must be not my case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not teacher. I want to show you my wow.
Nice,
Give
guys.
me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you.
Yep, so guys, you can see how very easy I tried to be very fast in this video. So you're gonna get the FLP link is gonna be in the description of this video. And if you have any suggestion, if you have any comments for me, let me know in the comment section and I'm sure gonna respond to every one of you. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Peace.